Hello and welcome. I've got to show you today this Challenger motorhome. It's a Challenger 270 Etape Edition, and this is a 7 meter long, 699 centimeter long motorhome with 235 centimeters in width. Seats 4, sits 4, sleeps, no, try it again. Sits 4, sleeps 4, seats around the table 5. 4 belted positions, that's the way I should have said it. And and here it's claiming payload 3,126 ready to go, so that includes the driver. And here it's got the price 77,000 euros. Okay, what does this offer? 2 single beds up there. You can get for down here a extra bed, so you can sleep a double bed. You can sleep 2 there. You can see that the table will come down. You see it's got there, it's one of these ones that drops down, and lots and lots of space in here. And coming into the back, we've got, I think, this magnificent rear end, and so it's got this toilet there. We've got the shower here with 2 drainage points. We've got all of this space up here. At the back we've got this really good, really nice dressing room area. So you've got your wardrobe there, you've got drawers, you've got shelves. This, for me, carries so much clothing in there. I think that's really superb. Close that, and down here you can see what's going on in the garage. So there's your garage from the inside. Washroom, of course, comes with a sink, has some wrappers for Haribo in there, and there's me in the mirror. Looking at here, we've got the kitchen block to the left, 2 burners. There's a sink, got storage in the kitchen block, and to my right we've got a freezer. There's the freezer and the fridge, and up here we've got fittings for a television to go in there, so it would need a bracket which swings out, of course. And here we've got more storage as well. Windows either side with a sort of curtain. I don't call that a curtain or not, because it's rather, I think it's more of a decorative curtain, because you can see through it even in this bad light. But it does have, of course, a blackout blind here. There we go. And there's a mosquito net here as well. Very nice indirect lighting, and there would be quite a lot of light in here thanks to this window up here if we weren't in such a dark hall. I'd take it outside. There we have the garage from outside. Lots of space there. I think that's quite good. It says they're bestseller. I don't know if that's true or not. Unable to say. Notice the same size door is on the other side of the garage as well. In the door we find a window, as well as a couple of storage places to keep the dog's lead in and other things you might want to have carrying around with you. As basic, it's got automatic gearbox. So now if you want a manual gearbox, you have to request it. I know everybody wants an automatic gearbox except for me. So there we have, don't know if I can call it a service box or not. Right. Don't think I can really. So there you have this interesting Challenger motorhome. The advantage of this vehicle, I think, above all, is that rear area, the washroom, the rear washroom with the huge storage potential. We haven't lost garages you often do with rear washrooms. There's a number of vehicles similar to this one, so I'll give you links to them below. But for the moment, thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting, and bye for now.